In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shows from continue watching in Crunchyroll. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see in the video, I'm going to be doing this process on my computer at the Crunchyroll website. If you wish to do this on your phone, what you have to do is, instead of using the Crunchyroll app, open up your web browser and go to the Crunchyroll website. So open up the Crunchyroll website on a phone in a web browser instead of using the app. So after you are signed into your account at the website, click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and go to your watch list. Hover over to your history tab and you should see all of your continue watching shows over here. You can either select clear history to clear absolutely everything, or just select this little trash can icon next to a specific show you want to remove. When you do this, it will go away and it won't show up anymore under the continue watching. Like I said, if you are doing this on your phone, you need to use a web browser to access a desktop site version of the Crunchyroll website. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove shows from continue watching Crunchyroll. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.